I do not wish to give up singing at all, and I have reason that I should sing. For let no one bear me envy for love, if I wish to tell you the truth. So I must sing willingly, for I can rise and not descend in love. And I hear it said and argued, who has nothing can lose nothing. Service that I have done for her who wars against me with 100 sighs, so may God see me so heartfelt that from dying she defies me first of all, and yet she makes me understand all too well that the long waiting is worth nothing to me, for I cannot grow weary, there's so much. There's a reason that she should love me, my lady who so lords it over me that she almost makes me go mad. But a person is so pleasing that my heart, which I must attend to, constantly urges me to set my mind on her. And since she is worth so much, she must not grow angry with me for it. So what shall I do? It is not fitting to part. Yes, and why? For he is too mad who follows his harm and follows pleading. Yes, for despite the slanderers, I give myself up to her, for to another I do not wish to surrender. For she can give and sell to me, and no ill treatment makes me lose my way. Even if she makes me languish so, it is not right that I ever give up loving her who turns treacherous towards me. For what pleases her she makes me suffer, like a true faithful lover who does not wish to defend himself against love. But what she wishes I wish to take.